Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it's springtime, summer's coming. It's time for a new hairdo. So today's video is sponsored by Hairvivi, and I'm going to be reviewing a cute little bob with highlights throughout, and of course it has the bomb Hairvivi lace. This unit is going to come pre-plucked and the knots will be bleached. And as always, it's going to come with the piano key elastic band for ultimate comfort when wearing your units. So I'm just trying the unit on really quickly just to see what it looks like. This parting is on the wrong side. I like my parts on the left side. But let me show you this hairline. And as always, you're going to get the pre-plucked hairline that Hairvivi is known for. She's cute. So let me see if I'm gonna keep it on this side or switch it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install this unit. First, of course, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace. And as you guys can see, the unit is not just pre-plucked in the hairline, it's also pre-plucked on the sides as well. So you're going to get an all-around natural install. So here I'm just kind of playing with the size because I'm just not used to my hair being on that side. So I decided I was going to switch the sides. But before I do that, let me go ahead and show you the parting space. It's a 13x6 unit. So you're going to have 6 inches of parting space, and you're going to have that flexibility to change the parting however you want. So if you want to wear it in the middle part or side parts, you can do that. So as you guys know, I do not do the ball cap method, so I'm just going ahead and spraying some of my Even New York hairspray on the unit just to help blend with that line of demarcation that you get from the stocking cap. And I am going to do this install using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold. It's a pretty beginner friendly adhesive. It is not glue, it is not hairspray, but it will lay your unit. And it's super easy to remove. I'm just going to tie this unit down with the elastic band for about 5 to 10 minutes. And once I take the elastic band off, you guys can see that the unit is melted in with my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the remainder of the foundation on my skin, as well as take some of my foundation / concealer and brush it along the hairlines. So I'm just kind of taking the flat iron to straighten this hair out a little bit and give it like a slight bump on the end. I didn't really want to do too much sideburns, and I did cut those little baby hairs that I'm known to do. And I'm just gonna lay that down using my mousse. And this is a pretty easy install. It's a bob. You know, I really could have worn it glueless, but I feel like I would have had to adjust the elastic band because it wasn't pushing the lace to melt on my skin on its own. But that is always an option. And this is the way that this unit was cut. It was cut to wear as a side part with a bang. And you guys can see that the highlights on this unit are very pretty. It's a beautifully done highlight. It's not too much. It's just the right amount of pop of color. And this color will blend with all complexions. So I'm just kind of pulling the hair to the back so you guys can see the highlights that comes on this unit. And guys, it's spring and summertime. Nobody wants a long unit to be wearing when it gets hot. So a bob is my go-to when it comes to summertime. I really don't want to have too much hair on my head. And if you do want your hair a little bit longer, of course, Hairvivi got other units available as well. So I did decide to go ahead and flatten that bang just so you guys can see what it looked like, not curled, just so you can see that it does have some versatility. As you can see, there is like a long thin part in the front. It looks like that's how it was cut for the bang. However, it doesn't really affect how the unit will lay as a side part without a bang. But as you can see, you're going to have that nice strip of color in the front. It's slightly lighter than the rest of the highlights. And when I was getting ready to take the unit off, I remember, wait, what about the people who want to wear it in the middle part? So if you wear it in the middle part, you're going to get a streak on both sides. So dolls, you already know I got a coupon code for you. I'm going to go ahead and put that across the screen as well as put it in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm going to need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the units I reviewed in my last video. The new name for both units, as well as the person who submitted the names for the units, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.